Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the transform tool. Okay, we know that we have move tool, we have rotate tool, we have scale tool, and we have shortcuts for each of them. But what if we have one tool to manipulate a cube, for example, 3 in 1, like that? We have transform tool, which grabs or rotates or scale at once. Let's click on it and let's see. This arrow is for Z axis, so it will be grab it, and this one for the X axis, and this one for the Y axis. If I go to this circle, the blue one, it will be something like this. What about the green, red one? It's like this. And the green one, it's like this. What about the inside? Or let us go with this white. It's like rotating from your view. Okay. And what about this scale? It's scale, this one. Like this. And we have something like this and something like this. You see? And we have something like this to grab it. Okay. So I hope it was helpful and see you in the next video. Goodbye.